Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Alim Maths Vlog. So my dear student, today our question is, if 10 lakh to the power x is equal to 20 lakh, then find the value of x. So student, in this video I will tell you how to find the value of x from this exponential equation. So my dear student, our given exponential equation is 10 lakh to the power x is equal to 20 lakh. So student, to find the value of x from this exponential equation, so first of all we have to write 10 lakh and 20 lakh in exponential form on both sides. Okay, so on the left hand side, if you write 10 lakh in exponential form, so we have to write 10 to the power 6. After 1 there is 6 times 0 is there. Okay, so that's why you have to write 10 to the power 6 whole to the power x. In the place of power again you have to write x. And on the right hand side, if you convert 20 lakh in exponential form, so we have to write 2 into 10 to the power 6. Okay my dear student. So my dear student, after that, to simplify this exponential form, we have to apply this formula. A to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n. So we have to apply this formula on left hand side. Okay, so after apply this formula on left hand side, so we have to write 10 to the power 6 into x, that means 6x on the left hand side, is equal to, on the right hand side again we have to write 2 into 10 to the power 6. Okay my dear student. After that, so my dear student, to find the value of x from this exponential equation, so we have to take log on both sides. Okay, so that's why on the left hand side we have to write log of 10 to the power 6x is equal to, on the right hand side we have to write log of 2 into 10 to the power 6. Okay my dear student. So my dear student, to simplify this algebraic expression, so we have to apply this formula. Log of a to the power n is equal to n into log of a. So this formula we have to apply on left side. Okay, so after apply this formula on left hand side, so we have to write in here 6x into log of 10 is equal to, so student, on the right hand side, to simplify this algebraic expression, so we have to apply this formula. Log of a into b is equal to log of a plus log of b. So after apply this formula on right side, so you have to write in here log of 2 plus log of 10 to the power 6. So student, on the left hand side we have to put the value of log 10 is equal to 1. Okay, so if you put the value of log 10 is equal to 1 on left hand side, then we have to write in here 6x into is equal to, the value of log 2 is how much my dear student? There is, the value of log 2 is 0.30102996. So my dear student, in the place of log 2 you have to write 0.30103. Okay, so plus, so again we apply this formula on this algebraic expression, so we have to write in here 6 into log 10. Okay student, so my dear student, on the left hand side we have to write 6x is equal to 0.30103. My dear, after that we have to write plus sign, and again we have to write 6 into, so in the place of log 10 we have to write 1. Okay, the value of log 10 is 1, that's why you have to write in here 1. Okay student. So my dear student, after that again we have to write 6x on left hand side of this equation, and right hand side we have to write 0.30 103 plus 6 into 1, that means we have to write in here 6. Okay student, so my dear student, again we have to write 6x on the left hand side, and on the right hand side we have to add 6 with 0.30103, then we get 6.30103. Okay student, so my dear student, after that, to find the value of x from this equation, so we have to transpose 6 from left side to right side. So on the left hand side you have to write x is equal to, on the right hand side we have to write in here 6.30103 over 6. So my dear, so if you divide this decimal number by 6, then you get 1.50172. So my dear student, the value of x will be 1.50172. This is our final answer. So my dear student, our answer is complete.